Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So we're going to help a friend. His 5/4 boards are not adequate. They're kind of soft and older. We're going to get rid of these steps, put them on the other side. We're going to make a ramp through here because the park does not want to fix that. So I've got 10-foot ramp that I'm going to put through here. That way he can pedal right on and pedal right off. So here we go. You can watch this. So we took up all this. We got some screws standing up here and there. And we're putting new ones in. Everything looks really solid. So we're gonna keep on pushing, get this done today. Hopefully get the ramp done also. This is an odd situation. I could probably sit down and do it mathematically, but I cut it, kept cutting it until I got it where it was, needing to be. Now I'm going to lay it on top of the other two, so that I have 3, and trace it out, cut them all the same.
What do you want?
Not really. Just kind of holding me off.
Your hammer?
Yeah. Stand below because that edge will end up catching. That one has to be cut off too.
You need a hammer that?
Probably. So we got Mike a new deck cover and a new ramp with handrails so he can get up and down with his bike, and he can walk up and down without tripping over that concrete. The concrete was pretty hard to get over, wasn't it?
What?
That concrete was kind of hard to trip over. It was easy to trip over, wasn't it? So we're trying to make his life a little easier.
We also moved these stairs. Made him a handrail here.
So we used what he's got, and now he can go to.
Well, once I have these to remove.
Yeah, well, we can leave that like that. That way it'll be strong. So now he can go down and go to the shed without having to go around.
And we fixed his door. Ta-da!
Okay, Mike, we're gonna go inside and then we'll do the paperwork. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.